Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I did find, as I've been looking for, a package of things. And inside this package of things for the VIC-20 are cassette tapes. And why would I want such a thing? Well, first of all, most of the programs are in BASIC, but also in testing a data set, it is good to be able to do such a thing with a tape made by Commodore. You would think that it, of all things, would be in alignment. So, we are rewound. So, I am going to type in load. This is a tape drive I was testing before. I didn't get to finish. I got wrapped up in things. You know how it is. So, this one is called Vic Canada, of all things. And, by the way, don't forget the World of Commodore. Coming up November 30th and December 1st of 2024. It is. So far, nothing is being found. But it is spinning. It is. And I thought this maybe had loaded stuff before. But then, I've lost track a little bit. But this does seem to be going on and on and on. Let me try something. Now, I haven't tested this tape on something else. I'm going to fast forward it. Because I also know that what Commodore did is they put the programs on both sides of the tape. So here I'm using what should be a good tape, but it may not be a good tape, to test a tape drive that I don't know if it's good. Nothing like multiple unknowns. What I am going to do while I'm sitting here is adjust these discs. And oh look, we found Canada. There's more of those foot things, which also would not be a bad thing for computer things. Alright, we have found Canada. Now ultimately this program, assuming it loads, will be formatted for a 22 column screen because it's for the VIC-20, but it's probably written in BASIC and it'll probably work. It probably will. But we'll see. Mostly, of course, I'm testing the data set. So now I know a little bit more. I have a tape that does seem to be working, at least on the one side. And because, I don't know if it even says the sides. It just says Vic Canada, so which side is which, I don't know. I just don't know. Loading Canada, ready. Let's list it. Oh, yes. There it is. Now, if there are pokes in here, they may not work. But I don't know if there are. Let's see. Vic Canada Geography Book 1. How many students? 1. I guess it wants my name. I will type in my name. Vancouver, BC. Incorrect. Oh, I'm supposed to type in the whole name. Anyway, it's working. David, Troy, Quebec. Very good. If it is making sound, it's Vic sound, and I can't hear it. What do we got here? Sydney. Nova Scotia. Very good. Isn't it lovely? I don't know how many rounds it expects me to go through. Lethbridge, Alberta. but I really don't need to. Mackenzie River. I'm going to say British Columbia, and I really don't know. Oh, Northwest Territories. Okay. Now, how would somebody know to type in Northwest T period Grand Prairie? Let's try Alberta. It's, you know what? I think maybe it's Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan, which I think I spelled right. Saskatchewan. Oh, it is in Alberta. Great. All that trouble to type in Saskatchewan and it's in Alberta, which is what I thought. Garments. I think that's Nova Scotia. Could be New Brunswick. Oh, yay. I'm right. Oh, yay. How many rounds? We're getting Great Slave Lake. North West T. Very good. Maybe there are instructions in the book. Vancouver. British Columbia. Round 10. Maybe this is Klondike. Yukon T. Yay. Is that it? I can't do no more. I can't. Okay. So what did I do? 0 to 2. Shape. What did I? Okay. What did I do? What did I get? I don't know. It seems to have stopped. Well, maybe it's doing some sound stuff or other stuff. But the most important thing is I know that this tape works. And that is a good thing to know. Stop. And turn this off. I'll pull this out. I'll eject this. Knowing that side, does it say what side? No, it really doesn't. Geography book 1, Geography book 1. Okay, now, what I have here that I would really like to work is, oh, no, that's the video cable. All right. So this one here, wrapped in cables, is indeed, oh my golly, is indeed functioning. I don't believe this. Okay, I got it free. I'm going to set it over here. I will make notes on it. What I really want to do is test this one. This is, I know you can't see it very well, and I can't move it very well. It is, and I should, of course, not do this by reaching in and getting a feel for the plug, but I can, so I will. This data set down here, that maybe you can see and maybe you can't, talk about clutter, is like the old black ones, except it's white, except it's very yellow. Okay. But now at least I know that the tape is a factory tape. It's good. So I will press play after I've typed in load. And it will go away and spin, and will it find anything? I don't know. It might. It might not. I am very tempted to go into the room and check out this disc. A Smog Christmas medley. I am indeed. But we'll see. Anyway, what I really need to do... Oh, it's found Canada. Look at that. Perhaps more of these work than I think they do. There's only variables. It's kind of like golf. The right speed, the right line, it goes in the hole. The wrong speed, the right line, it doesn't. The right speed, the wrong line, it doesn't. Anyway, with the data set, there is the tape head adjustment that I really don't mess with. There's the speed, which could be if a belt is stretched out or whatever. And, is the head needing demagnetizing. So if I remember rightly, this one did not perform properly the first time through. But it may be that Canada will load. Which means probably I have to go back through a whole bunch of data sets. Oh, looky. We have loaded. Anyway, I am not... Well, I guess I'll run it again. Sorry, I'm going to press stop. I'm going to press rewind. And I will type in run. Just to make sure, yes, indeed, that it does run. Because if there is a load error that's not detected, it won't necessarily work. Vancouver. Oh, is it just going to go through the same things again in the same order? Columbia, British Columbia. Very good. Yay. I am pleased. Oh, you know what? I wonder. No, it's not trying to play sound. If it was VIC-20 sound. Maybe it does have VIC-20 sound. So there doesn't even seem to be a random factor to this. So if a student were to do this more than once, chances are Nova, they could do much better on the second time through because it's just asking the same things in the same order. Yep. And really, I don't need to do this anymore. I do not. Mackenzie River. Okay, last one. West T. Very good. Now I wonder if I press break, will it break? Oh, I see what's happened. Aha! The cursor color has been changed, so if it breaks, you can't see that it's broken. Anyway, interesting. Always exciting. Tinkering, testing, pondering, fretting. Indeed-do. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. We'll see you at the World of Commodore. I'll be there. I'll have a table. And I do think, if nothing else, I'm going to have some monitors to sell. Maybe something else. I don't know. I'll see. I'm kind of running out of time. And other things have arisen. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.